Checking out a possible spot for the Christmas challenge. Looks like an already built fire pit. We're in a pit. It goes down about 5-6 feet, like a ditch. Over there's the pond. Beaver are around here, as you can see, gnawing off wood. And that's humans. I don't think beaver stack their wood so nice. It's wet and rainy right now, but hopefully it'll be dry when we get here. Or snow on the ground. There's some wood for fire pit. Walking through here. There's some blaze orange spray. I don't know what they're doing here. Yeah. We get 2 tents in here. Over there. And right here. Plenty of cover over there off the trail. There's a street over there. Looks like another possible fire pit area, but it's too exposed. That's less exposed over there. And walking back out of here, let's see. Duck down. Wow, the beaver are going nuts here. To run into any of those. I have to get some bear spray. And back up here on the trail. Got these orange flags. I don't know what that's for. ComEd are doing something. This is ComEd, electrical contractor. That's pretty bushy in there. Nice spot. I'm about 3/4 of a way from my house. Just took a walk over here to check it out. My legs are getting wet. Here's where they've been doing work. So I don't want to see me in here. I'll stay to one side getting out of here. Catch you later. Okay, I'm heading back home. Look behind me. Just maybe 100 yards back there. I started back. It's raining out. Kind of blustery wind coming in from the northeast. Cold. All right. We'll see you later, campers.